the hardest part was just changing my habits, and especially when it came to food choices. You know, I would think, oh, it'd be so much easier to just swing through the drive-thru on my way home. But then, you know, how hard is it really to open a can of beans and smash them up? Come on. You know, you can do that.
Now you know what it tastes like.
Yeah, and it tastes way better.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that once I finally got that under my belt, because before when I would make an attempt to go vegetarian or vegan or somewhere in between there, it was I always got tripped up on what can I eat? What am I supposed to eat? How do I put this stuff together to make it a meal? I think the most surprising thing for me is when I realized how easy it actually is.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't have to be the big struggle that I was putting in front of myself. It's just open a can of beans. Come on. Cook up some quinoa and freeze it. It's there for the whole week. Looking at an old note that I wrote about how will I think one of the questions way back was how will you feel when you're at the end of this program, I think.
Yeah.
And I had said I see myself not only eating right, but preferring to eat right. And I actually do. That actually is true now. You know, I prefer that little chickpea smash over, you know, chicken and mashed potatoes. You're really serious about taking control of your health, then that's what you need to do.